Okay, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can get your WhatsApp QR code on iPhone, right? So if you are an iPhone user, this video is for you. So when you come to your WhatsApp, this is my home page, and you can just go to your tools. I hope you can see tools here. Tap on tools. Then when you tap on tools, you have to scroll down to the very bottom. Now you can see here they said short link, right? Now you click on here, the short link. Then you can see here share link, copy link, and the QR code, right? Now once you tap here, now you'll be able to generate your QR code. Now you can decide to share it here, you can decide to reset, right? So this is just for this, and if this video was helpful, do well to subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next one.